Hello everyone, Brickships1912 here, and today's video is the 100th video I have uploaded this year, so that's a lot of videos. Last year I only made like 70, but as I haven't really done much with some of the other builds, I thought I'd show you this. It is something that I would maybe build, but as you can see, it's the RMS Queen Mary 2. Now, if you do want to see this, comment down below, because I think I might actually just do it. But if you would like to, say it down below. It's very accurate. It definitely puts my original one from 2019 to shame. And this one's tiny. It's only... like, this thing would be small compared to the Titanic, which isn't realistic. This is obviously a smaller scale. If it was to scale with my Titanic, it'd be as long as my table. I'm not doing that, by the way. Do not ask for it. But I think I might. I think I might build this. It wouldn't be too difficult. And she is my favourite modern day ocean liner. It's only 802 bricks, but that is without the supports. This is just a hollow model. The only problem I can see is these pieces, because I don't have them in white. And also I'd probably figure out something to do there to keep it without that. But yeah, it's going to be a short video today. I'm sorry everyone if you wanted a longer one, but... not much has happened since I've been finishing school. Today is my last day of year 10. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.